Introducing IMCO Advanced Tooth Roller Pressure Feeder. IMCO make TRPF rollers are at least 30% larger in diameter than traditional mill rollers, ensuring better compaction and feeding at lower speeds, enhancing performance and crushing capacity. With a 7-degree divergence in the pressure chute, we achieve a 45-degree contact angle for efficient feeding directly to the mill. Perforated holes in the bottom TRPF roller provide excellent drainage, optimizing sugar extraction. Made from IS 2062 plates, our TRPF rollers are durable and require minimal maintenance. Easy to clean and inspect, they reduce downtime and ensure smooth operation. We offer customization to meet your mill's unique needs, ensuring optimal performance. Upgrade your milling process with IMCO Alloys' TRPF rollers. For more information, visit www.imco.com.
IMCO Total Wear Solutions.